Hi guys, so in today's video I wanted to show you guys 3 bags that I feel like everybody in a budget need to have, and these are all affordable items. I feel like these are for the girls that want luxury items but don't want to spend the money on super duper expensive items, especially when it comes on to handbags or purses, but you still want the expensive look, the feel, and the quality. This video is for you. So the first bag I'm going to talk about is the Blackwood and Systematic Racism bag, and I have these in 2 colors. I have this in brown and I have this in pink. So the brown has silver hardware and the pink have gold hardware, and I absolutely love the color, the shade of pink that this is. Both these bags are $88, and he has a multitude of color shades and hardware on his site, and it's also a Black owned brand, which I implore you guys to support. So this is how the Brandon Blackwood bag came packaged. It comes in a brown box. If you have purchased other items from Brandon Blackwood, you know that normally it comes in a brown box and then in a white box with Brandon Blackwood. But because this is a more affordable side, we didn't get the white Brandon Blackwood box, but I am not worried about that. I love the fact that I have a dust bag which I can store my bags in, and because this is not I think like the box wasn't necessary, and also it is a nice constructed bag overall. So this is how it came packaged, and I love the fact that it comes with a dust bag. So if I have to lose out on packaging for a better quality item, I do not mind. So I would give the packaging a 9 out of 10. So it says end systematic racism, and if you guys look carefully, this is made of metal. The end systematic racism is not like printed on, it's made of metal on the bag, and you can actually hold this bag. So it has like the handle, and it's also double as a crossbody. So I love the versatility. And one of the big reasons why I got 2 of these bags is because I have a trunk from him, but my trunk can't hold my phone. And this bag can hold my phone. It can hold a pair of glasses, my lip gloss, keys, all of that and more, and still have the capacity to close because it comes with a close right here, and your items are going to be safe and secure. And I love that. I love the fact that you can actually put your items in your bag, especially your phone. I'm big on having space to put my phone in my bag because majority of the time if I'm going out solo, the only thing I need is my phone and my keys and probably lip gloss and my card holder. So this was one of the big reasons why I got it. I think the only thing with this bag, and you have to be super careful with, is because this enclosure, so I'll close it and show you guys. So this enclosure right here, it just closes the middle portion, but as you guys can see, the edges right here out here is exposed, so someone can easily like stick their hand in the side of your bag and take out your items. But if you're wearing this as a crossbody and you're wearing it more to like the front, then your items are going to be safe and secure, and no one is going to try to attempt to stick their hand in your bag. So I love these. I love how affordable they are. I love the message that it sends, and I absolutely love how it came packaged. I will say that these did not come in one of the white boxes like how my trunk came, but I appreciate the fact that they came with dust bags. And also when I ordered these, the shipping was absolutely amazing. Unlike my trunk that I ordered and had to wait like over a month for, these bags came super duper fast. And one thing I will say is I love the shape of the bag, and I like the fact that these bags have legs. So if you put your bag down on the counter and the counter is wet or anything like that, the bottom of your bag is going to be fine, and I love that a lot. Also, I love the fact that the end systematic racism is embossed into the leather, and I also love that this is kind of like a hard leather, so this is going to withstand the test of time, because this is not like a soft leather that's going to get wrinkled or go bad. You can keep this, pass it on, which is what I like. And I love the fact that you get the same feel of luxury but at a attainable price, like $88. Amazing. And I love the message, and I love that I'm supporting a black brand. So for the next one is this one, and this is JW and I just found this scrolling on Instagram one day, and then I seen Too Much Mouth on TikTok actually unboxed. She bought the same bag and unboxed it on TikTok, and I was like, okay, I'm going to bite the bullet. I'm gonna buy it. Bag. So this is how the JW PEI bag came packaged, and it's given luxury because this came in a bag and then it comes with a box with the name on it, and also the bag have a nice quality dust bag. So I will say packaging is 10 out of 10. I love the fact that it just didn't come with the box, it came in a bag, so people won't know what's inside or what the brand name is, and they won't be inclined to steal your item. But this is how the bag looks, and it comes packaged, and this bag is a show. So this came up to $96.30 plus shipping. And one of the big reasons I bought this is the shape. I have not seen any bag quite like this, especially with the shape. And not only that, I love the texture of the material they use. This is not leather, this is more like a cloth woven material, and I feel like this is going to step up any outfit you put it on. And I love these two. These are actually two leather circles on here. Absolutely amazing. And I love the fact that the JWPE is super small on the bag, but this is not written on the bag. It's also embossed metal, and I love how small it is. It definitely gives luxury because the logo isn't big and all over the bag, is just right there, and I like it. I feel like the bag can actually speak for itself without the big logo overpowering it or doing too much. And I love the shape. This also have a nice weight to it, and this bag fits a lot. Okay, this bag. So this is how inside look. It's deep. It has a pocket right here, and you can stick all your items. I can fit my phone, a pair of sunglasses, and my keys and my card holder in here, and lip gloss and an eyeliner in here comfortably. And it won't be hard to close or anything like that, which is what I like. And also on this, it has the JWP on the enclosure, which is another nice quality. So this can hold your items and you don't have to worry. And I love the color, and I love the mix of color with these two leather pieces. It really gives it a pop with this lime green on it, and the texture is just everything. I'm definitely gonna pop a close-up in of the texture. And also shipping was good on this bag. I think I got it in 2 weeks, so not too bad. And I didn't have any problems ordering or getting my bag, which is a nice plus. And then the last and final bag is from, so this bag is from Sinbono. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it wrong or right. I'll leave the name and the link of it in the description box, but it's Sinbono, Sinbono. So this is how the bag came packaged. I absolutely love the box. It's black, no, it's gray, white, and gold, and I love it a lot. And I also like that it came with a dust bag, especially because this is soft leather and it's also ivory. You need to protect it from the elements and so that it don't mess up. And that's how the bag looks. It looks great. And I also found this on Instagram scrolling. I guess Instagram is stalking me because I'm always looking at like affordable purses. And I got this in a off-white color. This is cream and it has gold hardware. I have a lot of like white or off-color white bags, but with silver hardware. So I wanted to get something different, and this has gold hardware. And the reason why I really bought the bullet and bought this bag is the shape. I feel like the shape of this bag is absolutely superb. It stands out, and I've never seen a bag quite in this shape before, and I just love the shape. The shape sold me. And I love the fact that it's versatile. I can wear it just like this in my hand, and it also comes with a nice crossbody. I love a good crossbody strap, if you guys can't tell. And I also love that it's not too small. So I've put my phone in here, my glasses, and I've even been able to fit my Sony a6100 in this bag comfortably and went about my business, because I've been wearing a lot of these items. And I love the fact that it has, I'm gonna open it so you guys can see inside. Inside is super spacious, I will say that. I have stuff in here because I've been wearing it, but this is how it looks inside. It also has a nice little pocket right there where you can stick your card in or your lip gloss or whatever you want. But I will say this is a nice, spacious, small bag. I love the fact that this bag also have 2 zips on here, so if anything were to happen and one of the zips stopped working to close the bag, you have another one that would work just as fine. And I think that is super dope to have. Also, you can unclip this and clip it, and the clip is super strong. And it also have Sinbono on the enclosures, on the zips I should say. And then Sinbono is embossed, written on the bag in gold. I wish this was a metal and not embossed, but it's fine, especially for the price point. And I will say this bag is a super soft leather, So I will say that this bag is going to need to be stuffed to keep its shape, and I'm hopeful that it's going to age great and not crack. But this is a super soft leather, so be mindful of that when you're getting this bag in particular. But it's super affordable. And let me check how much this bag was. I got this on sale and it was $79.20, so $79.20, and I feel like it was definitely worth it. It is a super nice bag, super different bag also. And as you guys see, I'm trying to step up my accessories game, and I feel like I'm on my way to doing that. I absolutely love these bags, and I wanted to give you guys a nice quick overview of some affordable items, especially if you're in the place looking for something affordable to gift your wife, your sister, your aunt, or you're just trying to up your accessories game. I feel like these bags are going to do it every single time. And just a quick addition, JW has another bag. It's called the Rattan. That bag also look absolutely amazing, and I have that on my list to get also, and it's under, I think it's under a 150. So if you guys like these videos, please comment in the comment section below, and I'll keep you guys up to date on all the other affordable luxury items that I purchase and if they are actually worth it. So keep your eyes peeled and comment down below if you know any other like purses, handbag companies that have really affordable handbags but are different and affordable and nice. So comment that in the comment section, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.